All right, friends, it's mulching day. The community garden neighbors have been chatting, and they're wondering when I'm gonna catch up with them. That's the rumor, when I'm gonna clean up my garden. So I'm late to the party. This is the mulch I have to deal with. I'm gonna be transporting it up to the pathways, and I've been doing this, I think this is the third or fourth season I'm doing this, and the soil is so rich and dark and healthy on these pathways, just for mulching each year. Some people call it arborist chips. I just call it mulch, and it just breaks down. That wood breaks down, makes some really nice rich soil. So I'll be adding to that today. All right, next step in this process of getting the mulch to the garden. We're filling up these 21 gallon buckets. So there's probably about 100, a little over 100 gallons of mulch. Weird unit of measurement for mulch, but that's how it's listed. Probably like 50 pounds each, 50 to 60 pounds each. It's like 250 pounds of mulch. And I used to, when I was younger and had more energy, I would take the mulch from there and walk it all the way up that hill to the garden way over there. And I would put it on a tarp and pull it. But now I'm old, not doing that. We're gonna drive this up. Okay, let's take a peek at the garden before the mulch, because this is what the neighbors have been chatting about. They said, oh, he's busy. That's why it looks so bad. That's what they told me yesterday. They said, oh, he's just very, very busy these days. Don't get mad at him. Don't blame him. He's so busy. So I am busy, but that was kind of my cue to get back to work and fix these garden beds and make it look a little prettier. So we're gonna newspaper this first, put some newspaper down, because I'm not weed whacking anymore. Remember, I'm trying to help the wildlife. I've killed too many little skinks and toads and frogs and other wildlife, so I'm not going to be using the weed whacker, but I will be using newspaper. So this is the before. Okay, here is just a quick mulch. We're not done yet, we're just getting started. But put some newspaper down, mulch the pathways. A little bit more organized, right? A little bit more organized look. It was a 9 21 gallon buckets of mulch. So it looks pretty good to start. I didn't go that way. There's a little froggy home, a little toad home over there. So I'm trying to see if he's still there before I mulch him over. Yeah, this is day one of mulching, and probably gonna need 2 to 3 more trips to do the whole garden. I gotta get all of those walkways over there, get the mint out over there first, all the walkways over there, behind the peach trees, over there on the far peach tree, around that, and we're good to go. All right, day one of mulching. Oh, I actually know some people that mulch in between their plants too, because it breaks down and enriches the soil. I'm not gonna do it this year. It might be a good idea in between my potatoes, but we'll see. I think I'm just gonna keep it as is. All right, mulching adventures. Trying to make these neighbors happy. One community, right?